Top of the top, beautiful people. Picking up the vlog, you know what I'm saying? So right now, it's time, man. I gotta cut this mop off my head, get this beard situated. About to go ahead to my boy. If you're from LA and you want like a fire ass haircut, I got a barber that he works from home and his shit's like so like legit set up and shit, you know? Shit's nice, a little cool spot. I'm gonna put his IG below. DM him, book an appointment ahead of time, tell him I sent you, and he'll take care of you. Great haircut. Y'all see the before. It's been like 2 months since I got in a haircut. I'm gonna be a whole new man. I ain't gonna have this dry face looking ass, you know what I'm saying? Hope y'all been enjoying the videos I've been posting lately, you know, different type of content. I fixed my father-in-law's car, that was dope. Hell yeah, that's my dad. Hello, sir.
Where you going to?
To get a haircut.
Get a haircut?
Yeah.
Right. Take one like mine.
But yeah, that's my dad right there. My dad funny. That's where I get my funniness from. You know what I'm saying? Bro, what a huge difference. You know what I'm saying? I got the beard lined up. Damn, dude. See, that's why that didn't grow. Well, hopefully you didn't put fiber on my shit. Hopefully it's my real hair, you know? But I needed my shit to fit in, man. So that's good. I'm glad I let it grow. The hair, pretty looking cool, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, hit up the homie G-Fades92. So I don't know, Drewski sent you, man. If you're looking for a barber in the LA area, South Central area, and if you don't mind making that drive, that's up to you. But I think he's closed Sundays and Mondays, though. So that's since I am co-hosting a cruise with StockSI_, keep the flyer. Come on, you already know. If you've been out to a cruise before, you know it's always a good time. And the road's always on point. So he wants me to double check the road. So I'm gonna go do that today. So I'm gonna bring y'all along with my day in the life, you feel me? So right now what we're gonna do is we're gonna get started with some breakfast. And so this is like a plant-based alternative egg scramble made from plants, not chicken. And we had these in the fridge, you know, might as well just get some out the way. And I'm gonna cook this maybe with some hash browns on the air fryer. So enjoy cooking with Drewski, you feel me? So let's do these. I'm doing two of these and 2 hash browns. So cook time. Do 400 because cook time do 20 minutes. Unfortunately, I couldn't find my avocado oil. So we'll add a tablespoon of some extra virgin olive oil. Let that sizzle up. And we're gonna add some mushrooms. Eat the rest of these, might as well. And yeah, man. How many of y'all know how to cook? I'm not the best cook, but it's also not that hard cooking. So let's grab some onions. Let them sizzle on there. Unfortunately, I do not have cheese. I wanted to go for like that omelet American style type cheese, you know? Let's go ahead and throw the mushrooms in there. Oh, yup. Oh, yup. Yup. Oh, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna throw a little bit of vegetable broth so you can get a little bit of flavor. Yep, there we go. Cool. So I'm gonna let that sizzle up a little bit. Alright, see if we can flip this shit. Hopefully I didn't burn it. Oh, I think I burned it, man. Oh! No! Ah. I think I saved it. Oh, that shit is so ugly. Hey, fuck it, it's a thought that counts. So this right here is my meal. Looks a little burnt, but that's my fault, okay? That's my fault. Eggs, mushroom, hash brown, beyond sauce. Mr. Organic, shout out Mr. Organic, man. Big shout out to Mr. Organic. Nah, but yeah. Y'all enjoyed my little cousin recording to see how the footage came out.
Yeah. Shout out my nigga Mees. VC. OT. One time on the punt, bitch. One take though. One take four. Look. Niggas wanna smoke in the summer, I guess we hotboxing. They started thinking from Houston, the way I pop rockets. With the fighting and the busting, yeah, we pop locking. Zeus ain't making no money, boy, you need to stop it. I ball out, grind hard, Zeus NBA. If you ain't talking money, then you in the way. So you the type to make excuses, I'ma make a play. I run it up, double back, then stay out the way. See, I'm the type to go and grab it, I'ma make it happen. Semi-automatic, tucked up in the mattress. Trap back jumping like a rabbit, wrap it in the plastic. If you talking crazy, Zeus about the action. Only 13, I was feeling like the man. Made a couple moves, got some money in my hands, and I'm only looking forward. I ain't worried about the past. You gon' make it make sense, or it's gon' knock you on your ass, huh? Living life, I've been feeling like a rock star. Pouring syrup, yeah, I'm pouring up the walk hard. Running plays, getting paid for these past weeks. I grind hard, ball out, we some athletes. Living life, I've been feeling like a rock star. Pouring syrup, yeah, I'm pouring up the walk hard. Running plays, getting paid for these past weeks. I grind hard, ball out, we some athletes. In the Falcon, getting neck in the backseat. Running game to a lame like a track meet. You could lose your life playing in these back streets. I'm from the city where you stupid if you don't pack heat. Blow it down, man, I'm finna take a vacation. I can't wait for shit, got no patience. Niggas playing both sides like a double agent. I don't like them, we don't speak, no conversation. Police catch you, you gon' sing like the Temptations. It's a code to the streets, better not break it. Keep an eye on your bitch, cause I might take her. She on the phone talking about how I'm so amazing. Look. Yeah, that was a vibe right there. Living life, I've been feeling like a rock star. Pouring syrup, yeah, I'm pouring up the walk hard. Running plays, getting paid for these past weeks. I grind hard, ball out, we some athletes. Living life, I've been feeling like a rock star. Pouring syrup, yeah, I'm pouring up.
Oh, my car looking nice back there. But yeah, whatever, I like this road. So if it's that road, that's a good road. If not, I think this should be the road rather than going to the main road over there. I think that's the road everybody takes. This shit is so beautiful. Hell yeah.
Plays getting paid for these past weeks. I grind hard, ball out, we some athletes.
beef inside the cipher, put it all at stake.
Yo.
Ain't no beat in this machine, they got bots, gang stalking. Ain't no talking to the ops, niggas watch. Binary, see the code, I'm the one you niggas old. I get 10 for a show, my attention never low. All that flow, I got you slow. Don't do alcohol, do alkaline mode. Give me more, I get low with my high vibe. Kundalini color, brother, tie-dye. Data wave, niggas stuck, played okay. They don't believe, no. When you make it cross the wall, got your dome big. Your mind high on some grown shit. Mental free my people, fuck the Bible with a long dick.
Price hopping, night popping, roll the dice hopping. Ain't no stopping, got the night popping, Christ conscious. Niggas cashing for respect, I go a cashing for the records. No regretting, lift the vibe, this is fire, nigga, Christ conscious. Yo, never lay, yo. Meditate, 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 nigga, Christ conscious. Never lay, yo. Meditate, meditate, meditate,
yeah. I did gimmicks, I could rap, got the burbs, got the traps, antics off, seen the grades, hood of jungle, seen that Geo, flip flop by the gym with T.O. Ask my nigga L.I.L. Baby L, we was kids, man that dirty flow was lit. Flip, watch my home, I put on, I seen cats gon' get put on, but they never got respect. If you don't go up in the gym, watch they forever test your rep. If they stare, you better step, or this ain't the look you want. Background checks gon' look you up, homies show you they can read, they be going for the book. Hit the park and some get robbed, they be leaving niggas shook. I need a big hug, free my nigga. Got some shit in work so one day I can see my nigga.
Price hopping, night popping, roll the dice hopping. Ain't no stopping, got the night popping, Christ conscious. Niggas cashing for respect, I go a cashing for the records. No regretting, lift the vibe, this is fire, nigga, Christ conscious.